In this video, we'll discuss installing Scoreboard on a Mac. So first download Scoreboard and then go ahead and hit Enable Macros to open it. You'll then need to fill out this information about your class. So I'm just going to make something up. Great course, Dr. Professor, Super University. And then for the password, I'm just going to put Super. You'll notice that once you type the password and enter it, it disappears as far as being able to see it. But if you click on it, it does appear up in the formula bar. That turns out to be really useful if you ever forget your password, because otherwise you won't be able to record grades for your student. Okay, then I'm putting information about a generic student, super mascot, mascot@superu.edu. And then for the file prefix, I'm just going to go ahead and put the email. And we'll explain file prefixes a little bit more in another video. Then I click Create Start File. When I click Create Start File, I'm going to get an error message. And the reason that I'm getting this message is because the Scoreboard needs an Apple script in order to run. And so we need to generate that Apple script off of the Help tab down here below. And you'll see under Installing Scoreboard for a Mac, there's a button that says Create Apple Script. If you click it, it creates an Apple script in the same folder where the Scoreboard program was downloaded. And then if you go ahead and click on OK, you have to do one more thing, which is step 2. You have to get the address of where to put the Apple script. So there's the address. We're going to copy it off of the formula bar line there. And then once we have that copied, we can return back to the Scoreboard tab and close and save the changes. You want to save your changes because that saves your class information. Okay, now we've got to get that Apple script in the right folder. So we're going to go into Finder and we're going to go to Folder and then paste in that address. You can see it there. That's the address that we're pasting in as far as the destination to go to. And then as soon as you hit enter after pasting that destination, it takes you into that folder. Now we just need to drag the Apple script into that folder, and that will give Scoreboard the permission to run the Apple scripts on this computer. So we drag it in, and it's good to go. And now if we relaunch Scoreboard, click Enable Macros one more time, and then if we click Create Start File, this time we won't get that error. And in fact, what it's asking us for now is the answer key, which we'll show in another video. So we can just cancel now. The Scoreboard at this point is correctly installed.